the very first piece that I see as I scan the fields has to do with a belief, a perception, or an energetic reality of not feeling like you have enough resources, enough energy, enough vitality, enough resources in the physical dimension. It's this, I'm afraid I don't have enough, or a belief that you don't have enough. And when we have a belief like that, that feeds the energy. But we also want to remember that what we're holding in our energetic fields reflects into the emotional field, the mental field, the physical field, our behavior, our cellular tissue, our chemistry, our biology. And so whenever we have that belief, we want to think about, okay, where can we shift it? How can we shift it more in the energetic fields, that blueprint that's creating that dynamic, that setup? And just take a moment right now and feel into that belief of, I don't have enough, and feel into what is the very first word that you hear when you hear that sentence, I don't have enough. Like if I were to feel into that, I'd be like, I don't have enough time to do everything I want to do. Or you might feel like, I don't have enough energy to do everything I need to do or want to do. I don't have enough money, resources. I don't have enough supportive people in my life. I don't have a healthy enough body to do everything that I might want to do. And so just again, feel into when you hear the sentence, I don't have enough. And then even you could write that down. What is that thing that you don't have enough of? And you can share it in the chat room if you wish. And then as you feel into this belief, this energetic, perhaps reality of, I don't have enough of a certain thing, a particular resource, now take a moment to play with the idea that you may not have gathered enough of that resource in your backpack, your fields, your grids prior to your launch into this world. And so then we take a deep breath in, shifting gears, going into protocol, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. As you hold your energy and awareness in your divine line, we invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, and teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to go back in time prior to your launch into this world, standing on your platform of light, preparing for this upcoming incarnation. And just hold space for some energetic aspect of you, some energetic aspect of your body, your teams, to be on that platform. And then inviting your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to gather that resource around you, to calibrate your energetic fields so that you have enough vitality, passion, drive, will, gifts, inner gifts that reflect onto finances. Gather, 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 gather. You're using your position in the physical dimension to make a request for actualization of yourself in a different moment in time, in a different dimension. So just keep holding space for some energetic aspect of you, your body, your teams, to gather that vibrational resource, that energetic resource that translates into time, energy, passion, motivation, financial resources, connections, community, relationship, whatever it might be. Keep weaving that vibrational grid within and around you, amplifying that vibration in your individual divine cosmic loop for you, soul rider, your body, and your teams prior to your launch, until you have way more than you could ever need in this upcoming incarnation. Keep amplifying, weaving. You want way more of that resource than you could ever use in this incarnation. You'll hold it in your fields. You don't give it away. You just hold it in your fields. And then as you weave that vibrational grid within and around you, amplifying that vibration of that current in your individual divine cosmic loop prior to your launch for you, soul rider, your body, your teams, ripple and reflect the enough of that resource to you in every single breath, every developmental stage, the breath of now and beyond, in every single dimension. Rippling and reflecting it to you in the breath of now and beyond. Recalibrating all of your grids, all of your perception mechanisms. Holding that bounty of that vibrational resource in your fields prior to your launch in every single moment to the breath of now. And then taking a deep breath in, allowing for that ripple, that reflection, that completion of that work in the past. And then inviting some energetic aspect of you, your body, your teams to bring your energy and awareness to this present moment. Holding awareness of yourself in the past with all of that prep of that resource. Updating your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. Holding your energy and awareness in your divine line, divine cosmic loop. Inviting your higher self, body, divas, higher self, and teams to feel into that stronger vibrational grid within and around you, that stronger current inside you. And then updating all of the ways in which you perceive and are perceived. Taking a deep breath in, letting that integrate. And as that integrates, you could just take a moment and feel into, do you still have that same perception of, I don't have enough, ... And see if the charge is a little different, the same, or gone. And that is the indicator of how it's shifted in the fields.